This is just going to be an update on what I'm planning on doing in the near future. For the last 2 windstorms that we've had in Seattle, I've run a live stream that I've gotten a decent amount of popularity from people who live around here. So from now on, when the weather is active here in the Seattle area, I'm going to start doing live streams. Unfortunately, during the last windstorm where we had gusts, an actual gust of 69 miles an hour at our house, the power went out and we don't have any generators, so the stream went down as well. So we're actually looking at getting a generator in the near future. This will allow us to stream during high wind events and when the power is out. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll be posting more videos in the future. Stay tuned till then. Thanks.